Understand the transformative impact of automation in streamlining your financial management. Start by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to dedicated savings accounts. Enroll in automatic bill payment programs with all your service providers to ensure timely payments. Automate your retirement contributions through employer-matched plans or individual retirement accounts. With automated transfers and payments in place, create a budget around your post-automation balance. Leverage digital tools and banking apps to track your account balances and monitor automated transactions. Take advantage of direct deposit to split your paycheck into savings and investment accounts automatically. Align the timing of your automatic transfers and payments with your pay schedule to avoid overdrafts. If you have multiple income sources, replicate the automation system for each frequency. As your financial circumstances change, adjust your automated transfers and payments accordingly. Celebrate the freedom and peace of mind that comes with a fully automated financial system. Embrace the journey towards financial independence through the power of automation. Take the first step towards financial freedom by exploring our comprehensive guide to budget automation.